Hello guys, this is Gaurav and welcome to Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Well, art is something through which we express our feelings and that gives us mental peace and an inspiration to live a happy life. Since childhood, I have faced so many difficulties, but doing art always encouraged me to face all the challenges with a smile on my face. To make a new art again, today I'm going to use Camlin and Camel products. They have launched their new look and trust me, they look amazing and super user friendly. Just look at this. As you know, Camlin is all things stationery and Camel is all things art. For our today's drawing, I'm going to use this Camel Oil Pastel colors. I'm going to start with the darker shade on the left side upper corner. Here I'm using primary red. After that, I'll be using a little bit lighter shade which is vermilion hue. Following the same sequence, we will have to use more lighter shades one by one. With these amazing colors, blending can be done very easily. Here I'm directly applying the colors, but if you want, you can draw a sketch first and then start coloring. For the rest of the part, I'm going to use black only. After completing the coloring part, by using Camlin fine tip permanent markers, you can write any message on your drawing. You can also create borders, etc. So guys, here is our complete work which I find totally satisfying and I feel great now by expressing all my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you want to get your hands on the Camlin and Camel products, visit their website. Thank you for watching.